Where are you going?
I'm going to work. I'm going to the office. Is it not enough for you, is it? Can I go?
Yes.
Let's go. Take me along wherever you are going. Take me along wherever you are going.
Good morning, Grandpa. Ready?
What do you mean by ready? Was this already decided?
Let's go. Come on, we are getting late.
Come on, help me.
Simi, are you stressed out since Dad has gone to the office today? No, I mean, have you pulled off too many scams there?
Nice slippers you're wearing.
You like it, right? Bought it day before yesterday. It cost 5,000 rupees.
Can you wear them on your head?
On my head?
No, right? So you must stay where you are. Don't try to get too smart with me, okay? Always remember that you came into this family because of me. Don't poke your nose in my business or else...
No, I didn't mean it like that, Simi. I will be back.
Hello? Ghartonde? Listen to me very carefully. Pikachu? What's this bad smell? Have you been somewhere?
The washroom.
Did you wash yourself?
No.
Bad boy. Meena,
Yes, ma'am.
take him away and please clean him up.
Attention! Attention! Everyone pay attention to me. Yesterday, our big boss came to the office. But today, his senior will be coming to the office. Suresh,
We were thinking of him as the boss for so long. So who is he anyway?
The fake boss.
silence. I don't want any mistakes or hassles in the office today. Now come on, get going. Go and do your work.
Oh no.
What is it?
Neha, he's arriving. And look at me.
Who is he? The big boss. You know, his grandpa. Meeting him for the first time, but I'm not looking good. No. I'll be right back, okay? I'll be right back, okay? I'll meet you later. Okay, bye.
He's here. He's come. The big boss has come. The big boss has come. Boss is here. Boss is here.
Welcome, sir. I am Ghartonde here. How do you do, sir?
Good morning.
Good morning,
sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Do you see how impressive things are?
Yes, sir. He's referring to you.
Oh,
Bless me, sir. Bless me.
Shefali. Staff. He is a staff member, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
This way, sir.
You see, Neha? There goes my 5 billion.
Speak softly. You are so loud. Come here.
Huh? What? What?
Why did you go and touch his feet?
That's how we do it in our family. Honestly, my Mr. Sameer Chaudhary is so charming.
He is not Chaudhary. He is Saudhary.
Whatever.
What are you dressed up as?
A well-bred daughter-in-law.
You look fine just the way you are. It's going a bit too far.
Really? Should I change? Okay.
Why is that bonus file filled with so many errors, Garthonde? Every year, the head office regularly releases the bonus for everyone. Why is there any confusion about whether it reaches the employees or not? Why are these numbers so different? Talk to me. Someone's answer, speak up.
Actually, I.
What? Speak up, explain yourself.
Let me ask the accounts department.
This is the accounts
That
file, now
file was-
speak.
This is the smallest company of our empire, and it's got this huge scam. What will happen if we hand over the empire to him? It's very easy to find the answers at times. It's right in front of us. Why are you fixating on that file? Come on.
Sir, do you want something?
I need an answer to a question. The company declares a bonus every year. Do you get that bonus from time to time? I asked such a simple question. Why are you taking so long to answer? Tell me.
I don't think anyone will say anything about this. But I wish to speak, sir.
Tell me.
Hail Ganpati. Sir, you've asked this question and thank you for doing so. To be honest, we are here for 9 to 10 hours of the day, working all day, right here in the office. This office is our family, sir. It's not just for the office, sir. We sincerely love this office. We work honestly, sir. So far, you have loved us a lot too. There was a lockdown for the past 2 years. Despite knowing about the losses the company suffered during that time, you didn't fire a single person, sir. In fact, everyone got the full salary for the month while they were at home. You could have shrugged off the responsibility and been free of it, sir. But you didn't do that, sir.
But did you get the bonus?
No, sir. For the past 3 years, we have been given a bonus on paper. But that has never been deposited in our account, sir. Given the situation right now, we don't even expect it, sir. You and the company have treated us like your own children. You have taken care of us like we are your children. That is all the bonus we need, sir.
Thank you. Sit, all of you.
Do you see? What is going on in our office here? Wow. You spoke honestly and with such integrity. The thing is, all of these things never get to us, you know. That's why there's a huge mess. Good.
Thank you.
Go on, get to work. Shame on you. Shame on you for behaving this way. Huh? I trusted you with such important jobs. You were allowed to conduct transactions worth millions of rupees. Still, this is how you behave. You're destroying the reputation of the company. Do you realize that? You've been doing this for 3 years. Get lost.
Madam.
Get out. How dare he?
Why did you hit him, Aunt?
He made a monumental mistake. He scammed the bonus funds of our staff.
I know he made a mistake, but he admitted that he was wrong. I mean, didn't he? I think we should forgive him this time, at least.
No, Yash. We should never forgive these kind of people.
I agree, but we must forgive him this time, at least.
No. I can't do it.
Please, Aunt. Please.
Since you say so, I will speak to him once.
Thank you.
Dad, let me speak to him, huh?
Thank you, Aunt.
Since you said so.
I know.
How did she come here? Did someone call her?
No, I did not.
Then how come? Forgiving this man is a huge mistake. You must crush these sort of people.
I agree with what Grandpa is saying. I don't think you should have given him a chance.
It's not about a chance. It's business. This man will go out and tell the general public about our company scams. I'd rather resolve this matter internally. Okay? Now, excuse me. Thank you. Make some space here. Well done. Give me that.
What is this? Where are you off to?
What do you mean where? You said it right. He's your grandson. I'm his friend. So the grandson will sit on the boss's chair. And I will sit outside like the rest.
Hey.
Excuse me.
Hey, hello.
What hello? This is how it's gonna be. Take it or leave it, okay? Bye-bye.
What was that? Our boy has turned on us.
Did I do something wrong again today?
No. Actually, it's good that you said all of that. I've already said sorry about that, right? Then why are you still taunting me over it? Oh, by the way, Sir was really pleased. He was praising you a lot.
He praised me. He should be praised. He is so caring and inquires about us. We all should be honest with him too, right?
True. Sorry. Sorry. Oh, sorry.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to set up things here.
Can't you even set up your own desk?
I can, but how can I organize everything in this cramped tiny space?
Is this a tiny space?
Yes.
Do you want a cabin now?
Yeah, you're right.
Get up.
Huh?
Get up. Here. Okay, laptop.
Hey, wow. That's all set up.
Now the photo.
Who's?
Your family photo. Give it, let's put it up here.
Actually, I don't have any close relatives.
Don't you have any close relatives?
Not even glasses.
What?
For reading things up close, don't have the glasses.
You should not joke about these kind of things. Don't you have any close relatives?
All right, this is my photo. Keep looking at it. You'll have the best day ever. By the way, please don't hit on me or flirt, okay? I have already decided that I only want a guy with 5 billion rupees.
Soon you will find close relatives.
What did you say?
Nothing.
Oh, Neha, let's go. It's lunchtime. I'm really hungry. Come
Come
on,
in.
let's go.
Come on, hurry up.
Oh, Rahul, listen to me. I want lassi and Neha wants a charge.
Let's go for lunch.
No, you carry on. I'll eat later.
Didn't you get your tiffin?
No, I actually came with Sir, so I didn't get my tiffin.
It's okay. We can share.
No, it's okay. Seriously, carry on. I'll manage.
This much is enough for us.
Are you sure?
Yes, sure.
Sir, do you want anything?
Yash, why don't you join Grandpa and me for lunch? We have to discuss some things. We can talk while eating.
No, sir. I mean, you're elite folks, sir. And I'm just an ordinary employee.
Sir came for me, not for Yash.
Shh.
You should eat, sir. I'll come and meet you after lunch. Then we'll speak.
You actually said no to sir? What's the matter with you?
But-
He takes such good care of us.
But...
Sir, do you bring your lunch too?
Yes.
Me too.
Are you sure? Well, then where will you eat?
Sir, it's okay. I have a tiffin. We will share it. The poor guy forgot his tiffin today.
Poor guy. Did you forget it? Okay, fine. That's not a problem. Yash, please eat up. Poor guy. Let me inform Grandpa. Then we will speak anyway. Eat your lunch.